Hi, my name is Neeraj Dhankad. I am a student at National College of Ireland. This is my data warehouse and business intelligence project on unemployment and its effect. So for this project, I have used 7 datasets from 4 different data sources. Now my first data source is Statista. From Statista, I have used 3 different datasets. The first dataset tells about the unemployed person in United States from the year 1990 to 2018. Now the second dataset from Statista tells about the unemployment rate in Ireland from the year 2007 to 2017. Now my third dataset from Statista tells about the minimum wage in different states in United States of America in January 2019. Now my second data source is website of Homeland Securities. Now I have used an unstructured data set from here. So it tells about the number of immigrants in United States from year 1820 to 2017. Now my third data set is Wikipedia. I have taken 2 data sets from here. The first one tells about the unemployment rate in different states in United States of America. The second data set from Wikipedia tells about the population of Ireland over the years. Now the last data source, which is CSO, it tells about the crime rate in Ireland. So let's move to R script. So this is my R script where I've extracted all the data sets as a flat file source. I have cleaned them and saved them as a CSV file from here. Here we can see my script is there. All the data sets are put into a single R script here. Now let's move to SSIS. So here we can see my data flow diagram here. So now let's first run the process. So here first the tables are truncated to repopulate them. Then the R script is run. So since we have all the data sets extracted through a single R script, it might take a while here. Now the cleaning is done. Now let's see one of the data flow tasks. It comprises of flat file source, which is grabbed from the R script R. Then the file is saved into SSMS using a OLEDB destination. After that, the dim table is created, and then the fact table is populated. So here we can see that the cube has been deployed. Let's move to our cube. Here we can see the structure of a cube is a star schema. Here there are 3 dim tables and a fact table. Now the cube is populated. So let's go to our Tableau to answer our BI queries. Now my first BI query is whether immigrants has any effect on unemployment in United States. So here we can see that the immigrants or the green card holders in America are quite high, and so is the unemployment rate. Here as well. Here as well. Same is the scenario here. Same is the year for year 2010, and for 2013 it is quite high. So we can say that the immigrants add on to the unemployment in United States. Let's go to the second BI query. So here the second BI query deals with whether the minimum wage set has an effect on an unemployment rate or not. So let's see. If we go here in Vermont, the minimum wage is quite high, and the unemployment rate is low. If we go if we go here as well, the minimum wage is quite high and the unemployment rate is low. For Hawaii as well, same is the same scenario. We can say that the minimum wage plays an important role in unemployment rate. Now let's move to the third BI query. In the third BI query, we are going to see whether the unemployment rate has an effect on the crime rate in Ireland or not. So here we can see the data from unemployment levels from 2007 to 2017 in Ireland. Now let's match this data set with theft offences in Ireland. Now the theft offences in Ireland are pretty much constant since theft is a very petty crime. So we can see there are bit fluctuations in the data set in the thefts. But let's go to another crime. Let's match it with robbing. Here we can see with the increase in unemployment levels in Ireland, the robbing offences are increasing. Here in the year 2010, the unemployment rate has increased and so has the robbing offences has increased. In the year 2011 as well, the same is the scenario in 2012. Let's match it with burglary and see whether we are right or not. So in burglary as well, we can see that the burglary offences are quite high here. It is at 28,000 and unemployment rate is quite high as well. For the year 2012 as well, the same is the scenario for 2014 as well. So we can say that our hypothesis is correct that the unemployed people are a source to crime rate in Ireland. That's it. Thank you.